when Mom tells us how to get a willow house, we say a bottle down when we get to our willow house. And then a wagon takes us through. They take us to the good car where it's safe and all the kids are getting inside. And then Benny talks. Benny thought he was supposed to be almonds and fruits and Dora and boots. But next time, Isa thought egg, milk, and juice and fruits. And Isa got broccoli, carrots, and fruits, and avocado, and broccoli.
I love broccoli.
And you didn't mind. Betty and Mama ain't going to the forest. And then they want to build a new home, and all the kids are getting stuck. And then Julie will buy. They want to all the legs and all the things. And then bye-bye. Boots was getting by and all the things. And Boots, all the things. That all I was all the best. The end.
That was so good. Thank you for reading that to me.
Now this time, this is the new story when I got this with my friend Daddy and Mom, okay? This is the new story.
What's that one called?
This is called Letters You Count.
Oh, that's the big word book. Can you say all those big words?
Yeah. I have a book that ever I see. I have a book that ever I see. I have a book that ever you see. Gather around to me with me. It's called Letters You Find.